Hi, my name is Victor, and I would like to share with you my experience with Davis, Saperstein, and Solomon. I began using the services of your firm due to a referral from a very satisfied client of yours. My representation here was, I think, prolifically and profoundly professional, and why I really just don't have any criticisms. I think the firm exceeded my expectations. I had confidence with the firm because my attorney in particular reviewed all the facts concerning my case, reviewed it clearly, educated me on what my expectations would be, educated me also on what his needs would be, and the both of us delivered on our ends. The staff was very competent and friendly. In fact, I dealt with my attorney and his legal assistant, and I have no criticisms at all. I'm completely satisfied with both. My thoughts of the legal representation and my attorney in particular and his legal assistant are that they have exceeded every fiduciary duty that I think they needed to. And they were very clear, it was without ambiguity, and everything was kept simple, and couldn't be more satisfied. I really couldn't. I'm very impressed. I would recommend anyone to the firm, to my lawyer in particular, because that's who I dealt with, and his legal assistant, relative to any personal injury, and the reason being is they handled my case at the highest level of satisfying their fiduciary duties to me, and I could not be more satisfied. I say thank you very much, Stephen Benvenisti, and thank you very much, Kenny Delgado, for your outstanding work on my behalf.